How to fix, sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram. Now, the very first thing you're going to do if your Wi-Fi is not strong enough, you have to switch to a cellular data. This will enable you or unlock you into having a stronger connection so that you'll be able to perform this task better. So next thing to do is to go to your settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. You just have to click on apps again. And then you just have to search for Instagram. Let's say right here. Now, once you're on your Instagram, you just have to click on storage and tap on clear cache. This will enable Instagram to restart its course of program. Now, the last resort you have is to go back to your settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates. Now you just have to click on reset and then click on reset network settings. In resetting your network settings, you'll be restarting every internet connection that you have, whether that may be a Wi-Fi, cellular data, or even Bluetooth. So you just have to click on that and then reset network settings. So that's how to fix, sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram.